Vincenzo's that is one for the ages and something nobody, not even me, not you, no one in the cryptocurrency or blockchain technology sphere could see this day coming. But old Vincenzo, as you can see on the screen, yes, he has. Old Vincenzo has dipped his toe into the water for the first time in this crypto bear market for a small little sniff and taste. Tastes delicious. A small sniff and taste into the long-term holding, the long-term hodl strategy with that like and bell notification on our road to 10,000 subscribers. We are starting to enter into our portfolio of small increments each week now into our crypto holdings. And our first coin that we're going to hold for the long term, good or for bad, better or for worse, is going to be algo. I didn't buy in the hype train, and we've let it come down significantly from the top, 92%. Some could say it's got another 99% to go down. Others would say this coin might be around in 10 or 12 years, and eventually 22 cents could be a very, very good price for a trade 1 or 2 or 5 years down the line if we ever get another hype cycle, even though that's not now. But this is a good time after a better than 90% dump to buy a small quantity of algo. The same thing with XLM. After, not market cap. I got the wrong coin on here. We don't want it by market cap. Hold on, y'all. Let me undo this fuck up. Remove. We don't care about the XLM market cap. XLM, because the market cap will go up or down depending on price action, right? We want the XLM US dollar. We're going to signify that with a little button there. We're going to get back in to the XLM. And this is another one that, for better or for worse, we've watched this in the hype cycle and told you this was going to dump and told you not to own it anywhere up there when this channel and this station and old Vincenzo started slaughtering, started murdering, and started exposing the fleece heisters and shysters, and most importantly, the paid promoters like Carl from the Moon, the shysters like I'm Crypto, the fleecers like BitBoy Crypto, right? And all those other nonsensical hype train cycle people. We told you not to buy up there. We told you to let this deflate. Could this come way down still to my low targets? Absolutely. But is it a good time at greater than a 90% loss here too on this price with all these well, we're not going to mess with the fib circles, but this at a greater than, at current price, 86.56% from its all-time high. We're making our first purchase, right? Not up here, not anywhere in there, but 86% down and 90% down on Cardano or ADA. And then our last one that we're going to buy, we're going to snip our toe into the water of Cardano. And everybody knows the Cardano story, the great story that we had with my family that thought they were going to get rich and get rich big when Cardano was pushing $3-4 up there at its high. It was over $3. And they thought it wasn't going to come down because they bought down here after the big dump. But old Vincenzo knew she was coming way down. And now we're buying our first Cardano, small quantities. We're not buying thousands of dollars. We're just buying hundreds of dollars. But we're buying our first Cardano at a current price of 85.34% down. Again, some could say it's got another 99% down. But we figured this is a wonderful, beautiful time to purchase something that we're not going to sell. We're just going to slowly accumulate, and immediately the portfolio declines and plummets. But you can see we've purchased 4,193 XLM and 501 Cardano, right? And you can see that right here for everybody. We just purchased it 400, if you can believe that. 400. I can't even believe that. I didn't know I had that many. So I have $447 worth of Cardano, worth of XLM, and I got $215 worth of Cardano. So we're going heavy on the portfolio and the crypto. So that brings us almost to $700. I can't believe I have that much in crypto. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna go broke. And then we have purchased a small quantity of Algorand, and you can see our current holding of Algorand is who even knows. Our current holding on Algorand is like whatever it is. It's $200 worth, whatever that is, like 800 Algorand. So that's the portfolio, and that's what old Vincenzo's doing right now. He's made a stupid decision, and he's dumped $800 in the crypto like a moron. So that's what old Vincenzo did today. He's purchased $800 in various cryptos for the long term, and we'll see if we lose 99% or we hold this until we get back to the old all-time high. With old Vincenzo's luck and experimenting in the cryptocurrency market, you never know, right? But you might as well have some in there, buying it down 89%, and then see what happens. Just like our gold holdings we've had for several years, and an up and down, and added to it. And I think those are a good list of 3 of potential coins to own for some future potential gains. And we're going to continue to update you. Peace and love.